Welcome to this video tutorial series, and we have put in a bunch of lights and we've put a bunch of information around them and we've organized that information, and let's just do a little fly around and we'll make sure that all of our lights are up on our pipes, and indeed they do appear to be. Everything is up in the air and doing pretty well. Let's go back to our top plan view, and actually no, let's not. Let's go to top view, and then I'll do a little fly around, and I'll even zoom in so that I can see a couple of lights. Okay, so I'm going to render this in OpenGL, and I'm going to show you something that's kind of cool, right? So what you can do is if you select a light, right, and then right click on it, and you'll see that you have all kinds of different options here about, label legend and focus and refresh and all that kind of stuff. But down here near the bottom, you'll see one that says turn on, right? And if I click that, you'll see that I have actually turned that light on the stage. And it is in the color that I have chosen. I believe that those are R60. If I were to change that to R33, you'll see that it goes pink. It actually is using that gel assignment to assign a color to it. And if I were to delete that and say enter, that's no color. But I'll put it back. It was R60, right? So we can actually turn the lights on, right, one by one and individually, and we can see what they're doing. The problem is that they're not focused. And what I want to do in this series of videos is talk to you a little bit about how we can focus the lights and point them where we want them to go. And that'll be done with focus points. And so the first thing that we're going to want to do is go to our class, and let's make a new class, and we'll just call it focus points. And that'll be fine, and we'll say okay. And focus points, I don't know, why don't we definitely use it creation. Let's edit that. Focus points, solid. We ought to pick a color that we can see. So I'm going to pick like a really light pink, just so that I can tell that that's what they are. I don't know that I care about the line thickness, but 0.25 is always good. Use it creation, and that will be okay. And we can select that and make that current, and we can say okay. But now our light is still on. Well, heck, maybe we ought to turn that light off. And again, if you right click on the fixture and go down and say turn off, it will turn that fixture off. So now let's go to our top plan view. And I will end this little intro video now, and we'll come back with some more information on focus points.